Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse and make decisions that your wallet will thank you for. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, pitting the Canon EOS R10 against the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Think of it like a boxing match, but instead of punches, we're throwing specs. First up, the price. At $1,379, the R10 is like your friendly neighborhood coffee shop, affordable and makes you feel good. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II is like that fancy restaurant that charges you a small fortune for a bowl of pasta. You know it's good, but do you really want to spend your rent money on it? Reviewers appreciate the R10 for its affordability and good value for performance, especially for beginners and casual shooters. In contrast, the R6 Mark II, despite its higher price, is praised by professionals for its exceptional performance and reliability, making it worth the investment for serious photographers. Now let's talk sensors. The R10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor, which sounds fancy, like a chef's secret ingredient. Reviewers highlight the image quality and ergonomics of the R10, making it a solid choice for automotive and wildlife photography. But the R6 Mark II boasts a full-frame CMOS sensor with the same 24.2 effective megapixels. Users rave about the R6's image quality and low-light performance, noting that it captures details beautifully, making it a top choice for wedding and portrait photography. It's like comparing a regular burger to a gourmet truffle burger. Both are great, but one elevates the experience. Let's dig into the processors. Both cameras come equipped with the DIGIC-X image processor. It's like having a personal trainer for your photos, keeping them sharp and in shape. Reviewers of the R10 appreciate its easy-to-use interface and features, while the R6 Mark II takes it a step further, enhancing stabilization and video functionality. Users note that the processor in the R6 allows for quicker autofocus and better image stabilization, making it ideal for fast-paced shooting like weddings or sports events. So while the R10 is at the gym doing squats, the R6 is looking like a Greek god in a movie. When it comes to continuous shooting, the R10 can do 15 FPS with its mechanical shutter, which is great for capturing action shots. Reviewers praise its performance for casual photography. However, the R6 Mark II flexes with a jaw-dropping 40 FPS. Users laud the R6's impressive shooting speed, making it a favorite among those capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. It's like the R6 is on a caffeine high, while the R10 is still figuring out how to brew its first cup of coffee. Now, let's not forget about autofocus. The R10 has smart autofocus that keeps your subject in focus, which is great unless you're trying to take a picture of your cat. Reviewers mention that while the R10's autofocus is decent, it can struggle at times, especially with moving subjects. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II has enhanced subject acquisition that can track not just people, but also animals, vehicles, and even trains. Wedding photographers rave about the R6's fast and reliable autofocus, ensuring they capture every special moment without a hitch. So if you're trying to catch a runaway train, the R6 is your best bet. Video recording? The R10 has got you covered for the basics, but the R6 Mark II takes it to the next level with 6K oversampled uncropped 4K movies up to 60 FPS. Reviewers of the R10 mention it's suitable for casual video recording, but the R6 is where the professionals play. Users highlight the R6's video capabilities, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators who demand high-quality footage. It's like the R10 is at a backyard barbecue, while the R6 is at the Cannes Film Festival. Where do you want your footage to premiere? Looking at the screens, the R10 has a vibrant LED screen, while the R6 boasts a multi-angle touchscreen. Reviewers appreciate the R10's display for its clarity, but the R6's multi-angle feature gets high marks for versatility, especially for vlogging and creative angles. Users say that if you're trying to take a selfie from an awkward angle, the R6 is like your best friend holding the camera up high saying, "Trust me, you'll look great." Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is highly regarded for its affordability, user-friendly features, and great image quality, making it a solid choice for beginners and casual photographers. However, it falls short in battery life and lacks weather sealing. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is celebrated for its exceptional performance, fast autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, making it a favorite among professionals despite its higher price tag. So which camera should you buy? If you're a casual shooter who wants something lightweight and affordable, the R10 is your pick. But if you're serious about photography and want to capture every moment like a pro, then the R6 Mark II is worth every penny. Just don't forget to sell a kidney or two. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd pick and why. Remember, product links are in the description.